In this quick video, I am going to show you how to use green screen on CapCut PC. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. So first of all, tap on import and select the footages which you want to import on your CapCut. So I have this green screen footage. I need to select it and also select the background video footage you want to apply under your green screen. So I have this footage. I'll select it as well. Then tap on open, and once the footages are imported, firstly select the background footage and drag it on your timeline. So I have dragged it here. Now drag your green screen footage over your background layer so that if we remove this green screen, then we'll be able to see our background. And let me just get rid of this extra portion, and now I can simply select my green screen video and then go to this panel. Here we need to select this remove background option. So once we select it, now check here chroma key, which will help us to remove this green portion. If we check mark it, and then we need to select the color picker from here and then select the green portion from your video, and if we select it, the green color will be gone from our video. And if we take a close look at our video, you can see there are still some green edges around our video. So we just need to increase the intensity, and there you go. I have successfully removed the green portion from my video, and if we play it, you can see the results. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.